Alright, guys. This is Michael Schoaf, um, and this is my scaffolding strategy presentation thingamajig. Alright, so character projects is what I titled it. Let's see. Standards. So this is the big standard that works well with this particular project. Um, Common Core ELA 10.3, analyze how complex characters develop over the course of a text, interact with other characters, and advance the plot or develop the theme. So obviously this is about knowing your characters, how to identify and get to know characters in a text. Let's see, context. So this would be for a grade 10 class, ELA, English Language Arts, and in the context of the lesson plan that we had done, the strategy was being used while finishing up or after a unit on Hamlet, Shakespeare's Hamlet. Um, Obviously, this strategy could be used while reading a play like Hamlet or afterwards. Doesn't really matter. Explanation. Let's see. So you have the kids. Go ahead and break into groups. Obviously, you're going to be wanting to do some diverse groups of kids. By this point in the year, you should know how well certain kids work together. Kind of break them up, get some diversity going in your groups. Each group gets assigned a character from the text or the play that you guys are studying. In this case, it would be Hamlet, obviously. So we'll go ahead and take each group, give them a character, and then pretty simple. You can do a poster or any other format you could think of, just depending on what's available to you, um, and have the kids do a poster which shows the major traits of their characters. So, say for example, if the character is known to be extraordinarily greedy, you could have them have a like a robber mask on, or holding a big sack of money if they're really rich, or those kinds of things. Just really have the kids use their imagination, go a little over the top, um, and it's an interesting experience. All the kids get to do it together. Let's see. There is a possible alternative to this that I saw online. I don't know if you guys have heard of bit strips. They were big on like Facebook and all that stuff a few months back. But this is what they look like. It's actually kind of neat. So you could use this to make your own character, and it's all really pretty smooth, actually. And it's pretty specific. You can start all the way at the bottom here and make your own character. So you could use that. You can make your own comics relatively easily, actually, and so you could do this for, um, you know, acting out a short scene or something like that. Let's see, and this is just an example. This one's actually called Living with Shakespeare, and you can see Shakespeare here. This is what a finished product can kind of look like. Yeah, so that's just another idea. Obviously, you'd need a computer lab available to you, or something like that, some kind of internet access to make this work. But there's a lot of stuff out there like this nowadays. All right, and that's the end. Woot.